Up with the chickens, praising the Lord. They're a little busy here, huh? What's going on? What's going on this morning, huh? What? Oh, you've got eggs. Sorry. They're not fertile and you can't sit on them, so I'll be collecting them soon. What's going on in here? You need another nest? Look, here's an empty. Look who's over here. Here's Rosie. You don't want to be bothered either, huh? And here's Posy. And here's Petal. Petal wants to get in there, but they all like that first one. But we're going to sing. I need thee every hour, most gracious Lord. No tender voice like thine doth peace afford. I need thee, oh, I need thee. Every hour I need thee. You found it. Oh, bless me now, my Savior. I come to thee. Up with the chickens, praising the Lord. Bad voice and all. Doesn't matter. Have a blessed day.